Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Force G70 Pro M.2 PCIe SSD, specifically the 4TB model with the graphene heatsink. This drive is aiming to be a top contender for both PC enthusiasts and PlayStation 5 gamers looking for a storage boost. First impressions are solid. T-Force is highlighting the use of InnoGrit controller solutions in the G70 Pro, which should offer users a reliable and consistent experience. The inclusion of DRAM caching and SLC caching is also a plus, as these technologies can significantly improve the drive's responsiveness and overall performance, especially when dealing with frequently accessed data. One of the key selling points is its compatibility with the PlayStation 5. T-Force specifically mentions firmware compatibility, which is crucial for ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance within the console. This means you can expand your PS5 storage without worrying about compatibility issues or performance bottlenecks. The graphene heatsink is another notable feature. Graphene is known for its excellent thermal conductivity, and this heatsink should help to keep the SSD cool under heavy workloads, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining consistent performance over extended periods. The drive itself is lightweight, coming in at just 7 grams. Looking at the bigger picture, the T-Force G70 Pro is part of a broader ecosystem of PCIe SSDs. T-Force has been actively developing both PCIe 5.0 and PCIe 4.0 drives, catering to different needs and budgets. The G70 Pro, being a PCIe 4.0 drive, aims to strike a balance between performance and affordability. T-Force emphasizes the advantages of PCIe 4.0 SSDs, highlighting the increased bandwidth compared to older PCIe generations. They claim read speeds of up to 7,400 megabytes, which is impressive and should translate to faster loading times, quicker file transfers, and a more responsive overall system. They are positioning this drive for creators who work with large files and demanding applications. Compared to PCIe 3.0 SSDs, the G70 Pro offers a significant performance boost. T-Force claims that their Cardea 0 PCIe 3.0 M.2 SSDs can reach sequential read-write speeds of up to 3,400-3,000 megabytes. The G70 Pro should offer a noticeable upgrade in speed and responsiveness.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.